In the realm of Neville's lecture, Who Are the Condemned, a Treasure, we delve into the depths profound, where wisdom's whispers can be found. With rhymes and rhythm, let us explore the essence of this sacred lore. A personal review I shall present to guide you on this enlightening descent. Who are the condemned, you may ask? Those who wear the judgment's mask. They point their fingers, cast their stones, but fail to see their heart's true tones. To embody these teachings, it takes great might to banish condemnation, embrace the light. For in the mirror of our minds we see the world we've created, both good and glee. The power lies within, Neville tells, to shape our lives, to break the spells. But are we willing to take the lead and choose the thoughts that plant the seed? To apply these teachings to our daily strife, we must awaken to the magic of life. To imagine and feel our desires as real, with unwavering faith, we start to heal. Introspective questions arise as we ponder and analyze. Are our thoughts aligned with love and grace, or do they dwell in a darker space? Do we condemn ourselves, our fellow men, or do we strive to understand them then? In the depths of compassion, can we reside and see the world with eyes open wide? Now, dear readers, I implore, subscribe for content that will explore the transformative benefits that await when Neville's wisdom becomes your fate.